Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Now, no matter how much we want to wear our cute dresses and those cute little crop tops, but sometimes it becomes difficult to wear them outside because of the constant and unwanted staring and gazing. But at the same time, I know a lot of people कि उनका ना personal style कुछ ऐसा होता है कि they just don't like wearing short clothes, and I totally understand and relate with that as well, because it's okay, you do not have to wear short or revealing clothes in order to look sexy or feel good about yourself or in order to celebrate something. And there are few things which I also include in my personal styling as well, which do not include a lot of revealing clothes or short clothes, and I want to share everything with you guys today in this video. So let's get started. Okay guys, so first are slits. Now slits are a very sneaky yet a very fabulous way to add just the right amount of skin in your overall outfit. So for example, I have these pants which are old ones from Shein, so don't ask me for the link right now because you guys know. Anyway, the reason why I got these for myself is because not only they are very flowy and comfortable in summer, but also of the cut which is happening at the bottom part in front side, and this is very easy to do as well. I mean, you can just grab a pair of scissors and just cut according to your preferred length with your old pants as well. I mean, this is a cool DIY which you can do easily at home, and you're gonna save a lot of money as well, and at the same time you're looking trendy and stylish. How cool is that? Slits are something which I used to wear when I was a kid. Like, my mom always used to dress me up in clothes with slits, for example in dresses, in skirts, in pants, and I'm so glad that they're back this time. And another way of wearing slits are with side slits, and I have one more maroon pant जिसके side में slit है, but in that there's not only a slit happening, but at the same time उन्होंने कुछ ऐसे net का fabric attach किया हुआ है, which is such a classic and an elegant way to do these kind of trend so stylishly. Now second are jumpsuits. For the longest time I used to kill myself in tight crop tops and jeans. Not funny guys, I'm being serious here. Okay, so the whole point of wearing jumpsuits is being comfortable in them. I do not want you guys to always wear tight crop tops or tops and tight skinny jeans and kill yourself while going outside. You can look cute and be comfortable at the same time, and jumpsuits sort of help you in that. There was this time when jumpsuits were way too popular, but I don't know what happened. It's okay, if you want to wear it, you can wear it anytime. And if you are trying to invest in your first jumpsuit ever, I would suggest you to go for an all black jumpsuit, because you can dress up and down in them. You can not only wear it for your casual outings, but also spice it up a little bit and make it work for events and parties and whatnot. But guys, I'm not saying that you can't wear jeans and top, because हम daily बाहर jumpsuits पहन के नहीं जा सकते. I mean, कितना weird लगेगा. But at the same time, I'm suggesting you guys to not kill yourself in tight tops and skinny jeans just because other people are doing it. So what you can do is you can play along with it and dress smartly by investing in these kind of loose pants, which I love the most. Wait, let me show you. How do you like it? Can you hear me? Looks so amazing, right? So what you can do is you can just go easy on your tops and trousers. You can opt for some very cool, funky, oversized shirts and tops. You can opt for flowy garments, flowy silhouettes and flowy fabrics. Those are just so perfect for summers, and even if it's not summer, it's very easy for you to move as well in those kind of clothes. That just makes you so comfortable, and if you are comfortable, that makes you more approachable and you make more new friends, unlike me because I'm wearing tight crop tops. But anyway, you get the idea, right? So many times this has happened that I'm just scrolling through the internet and there's this very cute, not cute, literally hot dress, and I will just buy it and I will not wear it ever because that's short and revealing, and then you have existential crisis sitting at the corner of your house. But anyway, what you can do is you can invest in very cute, flowy and floral printed midi dresses and skirts. Those are very appropriate and you will feel so comfortable wearing them. And once I just wear them now, I automatically feel way cute, and I am, fuck you, go for stop recording. And I'm automatically more friendly with people as well. But anyway, you get the idea, right? Those are very appropriate not only for your outing but even for your college. I mean, you're comfortable, you are going to pay more attention in your lecture because your clothes are not killing you. That's always great. And I understand that these kind of lengths, you guys must be thinking that these are very boring, Sonia. But to be very honest, you can always take inspiration. For example, you can search for many celebrities online wearing midi length dresses, their skirts and whatnot, and they look so classy. Oh my god. Girls, हमने एक ऐसा वे निकाल लिया है कि चाहे गर्मी हो सर्दी हो, हम अपने क्यूट लिटिल क्रॉप टॉप्स और स्ट्रैपी टॉप्स पहन के बाहर जाएंगे, मतलब हमें कोई नहीं रोक सकता एंड देखी जाएगी. सो व्हाट वी डू इज लेयरिंग. Most of you guys must be thinking that why layering, Sonia, and especially in summers. I mean, first you're saying that I do not want you guys to kill yourself in your clothing, and at the same time I'm saying that do layering. Okay, first of all, I'm not saying कि तुम्हें sweaters and jackets पहनना है. No, what you can do is you can go easy on your layering. For example, you can choose light fabrics like this kimono which I got way back from Sarojini Nagar in like 50 या फिर 100 rupees में. Those were such good times. I miss going to Sarojini, but soon, hopefully. And you can also opt for denim jackets because those are perfect in any kind of summer and you look cool, and you can do denim on denim as well and you'll be good to go. Another fun way of doing layering is wearing any mesh or net top, and inside it you can wear any bralette or tube top or any inner or even your basic cami tops inside it, and you'll be just good to go. I mean, your little bit of skin is showing, but at the same time you're looking stylish and sexy at the same time. I mean, what else do we need, girls? And also most of the times I also try to go easy on my accessorization because you guys know how much I love experimenting with different necklines and different sleeves, and that kind of works in itself. I do not have to spend a lot of other time styling my outfits, and if I'm wearing a very cool neckline, I go easy on my accessorization. For example, I'll just go with a statement earring, a watch or a bracelet, and that is it. I anyway in general love experimenting with my outfits and accessories. For example, if I'm wearing a basic t-shirt and jeans, maybe I'll go for an overall gold look or an overall silver look. I mean, that kind of just takes your look from 0 to 100 instantly. So while I was in Pearl Academy for a short time period of my life, there was this very interesting question which one of our teachers asked the whole classroom, and it was like, will fashion still exist without short clothes? For example, if you're gonna remove all the short clothing items from the entire world, will fashion still exist the way it exists right now? Will these fashion shops and boutiques and stores and labels still exist? I want to ask this question to you guys and want to know your opinion about it. And in my opinion, I would say it will exist because Sonia exists. Such a bad self-promotion, Sonia, grow up. But anyway guys, that is it for today's video. I just wanted to share my little tips and hacks in what I do when I do not want to wear short clothes outside. So yeah, I hope that it might help you guys as well, and if there are few tricks and tips which you guys do let all of us know in the comments down below, because a girl gotta help the other girl out. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.